So temperature is still looking good on this baby. If it upside down, probably. Yeah. That's the way y'all go right there. That's where you should go, I think. All right, let's see if she'll crank. Dragging a little. I have to bump that timing a little bit. Buddy. How you been?
Doing all right. How about you, bud?
Pretty good. They ever talked about having it in the car show or anything since last time?
I haven't heard anything from Todd.
That's too bad.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm sure he's down to do it, though.
I wish they'd do it. I mean, you know, because I think it'd be so cool.
Yeah.
This is one of my other ones. I don't know if you saw this one or not.
Yeah, I saw you pulling down. I was like, damn,
Yeah.
she bad. She bad.
I just put a motor in this one. We're doing YouTube right now. Say hi.
Hey, what's up, YouTube?
I'm sure everybody remembers you from last time. But
What's up, y'all? How's it going?
You tell them your name again.
Jonathan Lester.
Yes.
Park Ranger down here at Richard B. Russell.
Jonathan the Ranger. Ranger
Yes, sir.
Jonathan.
Ranger Johnny.
Yes, sir. Well, if yeah, you know, I just checking in on them. What happens is I test drive this thing because, like, I just threw a motor in there, and of course after that you're going to have probably a radiator leak or an oil leak or a carburetor ain't right. And the best way to find out is just drive it around, see if it's getting hot or not. You know, so this is a good place to come from my house. All right.
Yeah, I like this thing, man.
You know, it's the kind of car you can drive.
Yeah.
All my cars are. I don't have any, you know, cars that they're all shined up and ride around in trailers. I don't have anything like that. This has got mud on it, you know, and that's what I want. That's what I don't want a car that's. I don't want a car you can't burn the tires on, like that, you know. Ready? I'll see you later.
All right, bud. We'll catch you later.
Okay, so the purpose of that exercise was to warm her up and make sure she ain't leaking. I sprung a leak out of that little temperature coil cap, whatever I'm trying to say. So you take her out and get her good and hot, bring her back in, shine the flashlight down in there and have a look at it. I might clean the chrome. I'm not a huge chrome cleaning kind of guy. In fact, this chrome that's on here, not really my first choice for, you know, valve covers and stuff on a motor like this. Howsomever, see what's happening down there. Okay. This is exactly the kind of chrome I had on my 67 Super Sport. But it gets dirty easy. It's really pretty easy to clean too. I've got what I've talked about. I've got Mickey Thompson heads. I was thinking about painting them Mickey Thompson heads black. I've got some heads, valve covers. I've got some black painted valve covers up there, and they look pretty cool. And I thought, well, it might be kind of different to paint them black, polish up the top. But the goal of what I'm doing right now is to make sure I ain't got no leaks, which I don't see any leaks. I don't see any leaks up around the manifold. She seems to be okay. Nothing squirting out of the bottom there, so that's a good start.